Let's discuss a trading mistake that can totally destroy your account, especially if you're doing it way too often. Okay, so in here I have my support line, okay, and let's just take a fictitious stock and make one up as it's going. This trading mistake is basically trying to avoid missed opportunities, or I call it ants in your pants problem. So here's what happens is a stock is basically kind of going up. It's starting here and it goes really nice, and then it goes back down. It hits this support line, it goes back up, you missed it, it's going back up, and it goes back down. And then again, it hits this support line. So basically it was already here, let's say 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And this is a pretty large spread that you could have made, okay? So now it went up, it went down, it went up, it went down, and I didn't get it any of those times. And now all of a sudden it goes back up, it goes back down, it hits this mark right here, and then I purchase it right at that mark, okay? So as I purchase, here's my entry spot, enter, okay, there's my entry spot. Instead of it doing the same thing as it did the last 2-3 times, I got ants in my pants and I bought it before it actually cleared and started to go back up on ascending volume or increasing volume. Instead, what it did was it actually went down. Okay, it went down and it broke this support line. So my entry point, in reality, I should have waited till maybe right here or maybe right here to go short. But when you got ants in your pants, you're gonna try and enter it again at that lowest possible point, and then all of a sudden you're gonna be crap out of luck. So you're doing a crapshoot. So you're trying to avoid missed opportunities, and you're playing the past, when the past doesn't always equal the future. So keep that in mind when trading, is that if you're trying to avoid missed opportunities, it can really destroy your account. So get rid of that history and what you're kind of looking at, learn from history. But patterns don't always repeat themselves. Patterns are guides, but that doesn't mean it's gonna happen again and again every single time. And you wanna make sure and you wait for those volume confirmations. So wait for it to either pop back up a little bit on volume, or wait for it to drop and break that support line. Otherwise, you're gonna have ants in your pants and you're gonna blow up your account because you're just gonna constantly try and overtrade. So keep an eye out for that one, and make sure you're disciplined and patient.